Now you were acquitted, but I was on state for unlawful arrest and detention and malicious prosecution.
No, amanyala abamela abengimele namanje engibafisela ukuthi labo bameli labo sebengathi sengathi ngempela bangafa.
Wayithola imali yebail qha.
Angaze ngithola imali yebail. Kwathiwa ngalathi slip. Oqala lo.
How ID khona?
No. Kuno 2000 wami osejele.
Yeah.
Engazange ngithole. Ubese kube unlawful arrest ngathi ngiyaclaima umdlandla ummeli umdlandla lo advocate umdlandla ehlangene nalo nokuthiwa omunye angazubani lo lokhu njalo khathi yabona khathi attorney nomdlandla lawo bantu labo bangamanyala nje ngitshela iqiniso mina ibona abantu laba bebelokhu bethi bangapplyelile ukuthi lokhu nje bayasayina balenza izinto zami ukuthi ngithole uclaim kwami bengikhohlisa ngoba babengimela ngaleso sikhathi bangamanyala ngifuna ukusho nje in public ukuthi bangamanyala and I even doubt ukuthi abantu ababamele njengamanje njengoba bengama lawyers u-advocate Ndlandla ekanye no lokunjana nokhathi ukuba labo bantu ngempela babamele ngeqiniso if bekwazi ukuziba bephinde futhi bengabi nalo iqiniso kumuntu njengami okuyi-public eye so are the damn asshole lawyers.
So
I can say it loud and clear.
So yebo mhlawumbe into uMacingwane wayengayenza qhawula kithi mhlawumbe kuze akwazi
ukuze ngiyacela nami ukuxosha ngiyacela nami ngahlala lapha kwakungemnandi
ayi awusazichazela khona leyo
umuntu enkantolo angithi siyazi ukuthi umuntu is not guilty until found guilty.
Yes.
If you are an accused unelungelo lokuzikhulumela ofishike your attorneys bakukhulumela walowina icala even though prosecutor ngemblame on that matter wasenzela phansi state walowina icala waba acquitted akufanele abasuke state within 6 months kafanele bafaka section 3 uthi ke states sizokusuka after 30 days for unlawful arrest.
Bathi bakwenzile kimi I think mina fanele ngisuye bona bathi bakwenzile bangibiza benza ama report bangibizela lapha na kunama officer lapha na ngase Kings Park Soccer Stadium ngaleli stadium leseduzana kwase SABC yes lesi cricket yes ama officer akhalapho ulokhu njalo baba umdlalo and then yonke lonto leyo bayenza emveni kwalokho kusukela namhlanje kuze kube manje akaze libamba ucingo lami yabona and manje lezo zinto lezo njengoba sikhuluma and it's very personal to me these things ngoba izinto lezi uyabona ukuthemba ummeli uthemba uhambe naye ibanga ummeli uyakujikela endleleni kumanje sineyinkinga zabantu abathemba abameli badla imali zabo ze-Road Extend Fund badla imali zabo ke babajika bafa abazali imali za mayisefile umzali imali zathiwa zangena kummeli mase ingene kummeli leyo mali leyo ama beneficiaries alo mzali awusathola lutho uthola ukuthi ummeli usegadile ukuthi vele lo mama wayezazi ukuthi akanalutho yena uyangizwa mfowethu wayezazi ukuthi lo mama akanalutho yena alikho ifa azolishiya ngaphandle kwempilo yakhe kanti akazi ugenqika nemoto bese claim in the process of claiming is about to be achieved iclaim yakhe then lo mmeli umama bese yafa mabe ama benefit esebuyela funa buyele emndenini bese idla yonke lo mali so we got criminal lawyers in South Africa I must declare that we got criminal lawyers people who make us fear a rule of law and laws instead of make us understand laws.
So usengakwazi qhawula kithi
Angasawazi uphela 3 years ya prescribe into le once uphela 3 years I prescribe bill because unethuba enough
kodwa ke babengakwazi
babengakwazi ngokukhohlisa
yeah for I professional negligence singaclaim abona
ngicela ungisize mfowethu uyabona noma izohlula ibafana kodwa kulungile ngicela ungisizeke
Hayi
ekuthini
ngeke le ayihambi kanjalo thina sebamela sivumelekile ukusuwana sisodwa you must start kwilo society will advise you investigate imatter kodwa
hayi imdanti yabona umhlaba ke ubulawa imdanti
No, especially ngabantu engibaziyo
yabo babone bazobona ngathi banenxa nyanga
fanele lo society investigate imatter if bothi bona bawufaka section 3 abawuveza phela.
because I got the record. I've been phoning this guy more than 10 times.
Yeah.
And whomever that is standing on right now.
But
and
I'm
whomever-
full advocates.
Ngizwani?
I'm full to advocates. Advocates akahlangene namameli. Advocates unikezwe instruction umeli.
No, ukhahlanga noba mina ngangiqhumana naye umdlala. As an advocate and washo wathi babamsene kulento noma nina no Khathi attorneys.
Yeah.
Bayinto eyodwa. We got history, we got record, we got videos, we got everything. These are the people who have misled me in terms of the rule of law and who have betrayed me in the rule of law.
Yeah.